Good morning. You're going to make a setting of a 6mm Sawatzke crystal. And this crystal has a coating on it on the back like a mirror that really makes it shine. You're going to have to do this with setting tools. And I made my own setting tools that you see here out of heavy nails. I ground them down into a horn and to another shape, and then I polished them almost to a mirror finish. For some reason, it's so hard to buy these tools in Thailand, and I think it is because most jewelers make these setting tools themselves out of heavy nails, and it takes a lot of time. You're going to need exceedingly strong hands to do this, because the little edge of the bezel is going to stand up. You're going to machine the bezel with a little shelf on it. And if you look very closely at this bezel, you can see the burr I used. And I machined the thin edge of the bezel to a millimeter or less. And the stone girdle sits in that area there. And then you need exceedingly strong hands to push that little edge over the edge of the stone, and you'll smooth it out with this steel tool. And this process is called burnishing, so it takes a long time. I'm using here a jeweler's ball so I can spin it around and do it from all sides. And I'll show you what a jewelry ball, a setter's ball, looks like in class. I have a few of them in the classroom. Notice I'm using that horn-shaped, mirror-finished bezel to push that edge down and stretch that edge over the gemstone. And this is the way real setting is done. Some of you have done it a little bit, but you're going to experience it in the class because guess what? I bought you each a Sawatzke crystal, and I didn't buy you a small one because that would be harder. I bought you a 6mm. When you're finished, you'll be able to see all the fire in the stone from the mirror finish on the back of the stone. So the stone is just beautiful, and you'll have to figure out who you're going to gift this to for Christmas. It's a lot of fun, and you're going to get a result that you'll be almost astounded with.